that I can simply move the valve body over and it will be the same. I'm pretty sure. So if I can do that and get limited slip, then that should be a really awesome car. Like, slam on the gas and it just goes. No spinning tires, just goes. And then within a second, I'm already at full boost. That'd be wild. But yeah, I think that would be worth, with all that I'm doing with it, I think that would be worth the extra cost of Wiseco pistons, maybe Manley rods. The engine really doesn't need much else. I mean, it barely needs that. But then I could, you know, just go up to the 400 or 500 horsepower range and have a car that can handle it. That'll be interesting. This one is putting up a little bit of a fight. Let's see, those are all even. It's going. It's just spring tension, that's all. More than I expected. I know I got the buckets all back where they were. Yeah, this one is pushing down. See, that could also be part of the leaching that I was talking about. It may actually be in the leach cycle where it's drawing intake air while the exhaust is just finishing up. Let's see. So this moves this way. This one would have finished. So yeah, I don't know. There. I'm getting to where it just starts reading. 1. Okay. 2. 3. 4. 5. Okay, now I'm going to go to the 50s. And now I'm going to go to the 70s. Oops. 90. These are inch pounds. Okay, camshafts are in. Next stop is the lower timing chain, which there's a sprocket around here somewhere. I don't know if the new kit has that sprocket. The new kit has a new oil pump and a new lower timing cover. Don't think it has a new upper timing cover. Pretty sure it doesn't. And then the upper timing chains go next. So let me unpack all that, brush up on the directions, and we'll do it.